back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be opening another pair of shoes. So this is my last pair. If you have not seen part 1, go check that out now. But part 1, I was basically showing you guys 2 pairs of new shoes I got from, I did that video a few days ago. So now this shoe just came. It was supposed to come. This shoe was supposed to come a few days ago, but it came really late. So yeah, today I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, make sure you hit the bell down below. And let's get this video to 35 likes. Even if we don't get to that amount of likes, I'm still going to be posting videos every week. Okay guys, let's get started with opening this box. I forgot, but this box. So I was honestly going to use... this, but then I'm like, I went downstairs to get something, so might as well get a knife. And last video I said that these shoes, it might take a few days, so I'm gonna be in the same kind of, if you're familiar with the white background and this little table, and you don't see my brother's bed because it changed. It used to be straight and now it's cricket. So yeah, I'm still in my brother's room. If you see toys or anything, you probably won't because it's just a white wall in the background. But if you guys see any toys or something, that's my brother's toys. So yeah, I'm about to start opening this up. I already know what shoes these are, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys. So this is a part 2 of me opening shoes. If you guys don't know part 1, I'll put it on the screen right now, but that's part 1 of me opening my shoes. This is part 2. Ooh, look. Okay guys, Nike box like always. We got a little card. It just has a code on it, but I love how the package is like this. So it's so pretty. Okay guys, let's open this up. I kind of look bald, with this on I look bald, but if I turn around you see my hair. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. Time to open this box. Okay guys, if you're wondering what shoes I got, what is it called? I forgot. Nike Dunks Love. So these are the shoes I got. I've been wanting these shoes for forever. I've been wanting these shoes for a while. What is this? I don't know what that is. Is this a smell good? It's a smell good thing right here. But yeah, this is my little Dunks. I love the shoe. I really do, and I can't wait to put this on. I kind of want to try it on. I'm of course try it on, but I want to wear it with this outfit because I'm wearing this shirt and I'm wearing some shorts, and I'm trying to find some shoes to wear. I was thinking of Crocs, but I might ask to wear these, or I might just wear these. I don't know, but these are I've been wanting these shoes for a while. And also, I'm going out to a cousin's birthday party, so I might wear these shoes. I don't know, because they go match with it, right? So yeah, these are the Nike Dunks. I've been wanting these since forever. So this is, I don't know if this is the left shoe or the right shoe. Let me put this box right here. But yeah, these are Nike Dunks. I've been wanting these shoes for a while now. And yeah, we're going to take out everything that's inside and we're going to try it on. This is a size 10. Yeah, this is a size 10. And the other shoes, okay, I did not tell you guys, but while I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you guys. So, in part 1, I'm not going to tell you the shoe because you guys got to go check it out yourself. You got to watch the whole video to understand what I'm talking about. So, I think it was that brown box that looks like this. That brown box one, remember? If you guys already watched part 1, you'll understand. I opened the big box that it delivered in, and then there was another box in the shoes. Those shoes were a 10, and I tried them on, and it was comfy, but then I wanted to put up the size because it did not feel comfortable. I said it in the video, I was like, it's comfy and all that stuff, but honestly, my foot didn't. it didn't have much room and it didn't feel right. So I asked my dad to give me a size 10 and a half. And I'm going to try those on too after this video to make sure they fit. They're going to fit because ain't no way I can't fit a 10 and a half and I fit 11 because ain't no way. So I resized that one. I resized that shoe. Not the other shoe in that small box. Not that skinny box, but the brown box. If you understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, I resized that one. That didn't feel comfortable. The other shoes were comfortable. Like, they were good. I'm talking about the other shoes. I had to resize them. The one in the brown box. The one, okay, this is easy. The one that are actually shoes. The one that are really shoes. The other ones, no. Okay, guys, I'm trying to take this off. Okay, I don't have time. Because I don't know when they're going to take me up. So I'm kind of in a rush, but well, not really in a rush. So, I'm going to put both of these shoes on. Speed it up for you guys because I talk too much. Okay, now we're trying them on. Okay, guys, this video is going to be really short because I'm just unboxing these one shoes and that's it. So, nothing else. Next shoe. And also, guys, if you guys did not know, these are for me to go out with, I guess, too, but also mostly for school. Okay, guys, done trying them on. I'm gonna tell you guys, these shoes are comfy. Like, if I would have got a size 9, it wouldn't feel right. But now I got a size 10. Okay, guys, let me show you guys real quick. But this is what it looks like. They're really comfy. Like, I really like these shoes. They're really comfy. And yeah, I'm so glad I chose these shoes. I've been wanting them for such a while. But yeah, I'm gonna record what they look like on my phone so you guys can see at a better view. But hold on, I'm doing it right now. This is what it looked like from my phone view and then my outfit. So yeah. So you just see me screen record it. So yeah, these shoes, 10 out of 10. I have to keep them on because my parents want to see them. But otherwise, these shoes, I recommend. They're a 10 out of 10 if you guys would like to buy it. Here you go on the screen right now. So yeah, these are really comfortable shoes. And if someone comes in the room, that's my little brother because I don't know what he's doing. But yeah, these shoes are a 10 out of 10. I love these shoes. They're super comfortable. A lot of room. Brother's yelling, but yeah, bunch of room. I recommend, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you didn't subscribe, and hit that like button if you guys want more videos of me unboxing shoes or even unboxing Apple products. That's, you know what, I'm gonna be quiet about it. Unboxing Apple products or even more. Let's get this video to 35 likes. Even if we don't get to that amount of likes, I'm still gonna be posting new videos every week. Okay guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace.